A government can never fund everything it might wish to, so it must choose. Setting spending priorities, deciding what gets more money and what gets less, is one of the most important and contested parts of budgeting. Understanding it reveals what budgets are really about. The root of the issue is limited resources. A government has only so much money, raised from taxes and borrowing, but the demands on it are vast. Health, education, defense, infrastructure, welfare, and much more all compete for funds. Because the money cannot stretch to everything at once, choices must be made about how to divide it. These choices are genuine trade-offs. Money spent on one priority is money not available for another. Increasing funding for, say, healthcare might mean less for infrastructure, higher taxes, or more borrowing. Every budget decision involves weighing competing needs against each other and against the money available. Crucially, spending priorities reflect values and judgments, not just arithmetic. How much to devote to defense versus education, or to current services versus long-term investment, depends on what a society believes is important and on differing views about the government's role. There is rarely one objectively correct answer, which is exactly why these decisions are debated. This is why budgets are political. For example, facing limited funds, a government must decide whether to put more money into hospitals, schools, or defense, each choice meaning less for the others, and each reflecting different priorities. Taxes, spending, deficits, and budget rules vary greatly from one country to another, and they change with each government. Public finance involves genuine political debate, so treat these examples as illustrations rather than recommendations, and check what applies where you live. The main lesson is simple. Because money is limited, governments must set spending priorities, deciding how much to devote to areas like health, education, and defense, and these choices, reflecting values and trade-offs, are what much political debate is about.